chicken breast, pressed garlic, chopped garlic, whole peppercorn and bay leaves, 3/4 cup of soy sauce, a cup of vinegar, cooking oil, breadcrumbs, and hard-boiled eggs. First step is to marinate the chicken. So I'm using chicken breast and I'm adding 3/4 cup of soy sauce, a cup of vinegar, whole peppercorn and 4 bay leaves, and at least 5 cloves of pressed garlic. Then mix it well, and you would want to marinate the chicken for at least an hour or overnight. Using a deep pan, you want to combine oil and garlic and saute until fragrant. Adding the chicken, you want to fry them for 5 minutes on each side. At this point, you would want to incorporate the remaining marinade. Cover and let it simmer for 10 minutes without stirring. I will be adding the breadcrumbs for added texture, but again, this is optional. Once again, cover and cook it for 2 minutes. At this point, you want to turn off the heat and we'll just finish it off with our hard-boiled eggs. And it's ready to serve, guys. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.